Windows, how to add batch script action to right-click menu. I have a few programs that creates temp files or backup files or similar files that are not important. For example, Vim for Windows by default creates a backup file in filename.txt. I sometimes need to clean up a directory and remove all these files. I have made a simple bat file for this. However, it is cumbersome to have to start up CMD, navigate to the folder, run the script. Especially since this is a script that I would like to run often on various folders. And I do not want to copy the script to multiple folders, as this would be a maintenance nightmare. So, I was thinking that the best solution would be to add a right-click menu item that allows me to run the script. So that I can right-click on a folder in Explorer and click Cleanup and then have my script run on this folder. So my question is, how do I add a right-click menu action that runs a custom batch script?
Actually, the current answer isn't out of date. I tried the exact same thing on Windows 10 and was able to add run batch script to the context menu of all folders in Windows. This is the content of my batch script, won't work with UNC paths. The registry changes I made can be replicated with this reg file. This only adds a context menu item for all directories/folders in Windows. If you want it showing for each and every file instead, you can use this. Alternatively, you can add your batch script to the send to item list by creating a shortcut to your batch script and placing it under % of data %/Microsoft/Windows/CentO, or enter shell column CentO into the address bar. If you want your script to show in the context menu that appears when you right-click on the empty space within a directory background, you can use the following reg file. You don't need the icon equals %systemroot %system32/shell32.dll, 71 line. It simply adds an icon to your context menu that looks like this.
I have tried on Windows XP SP3 with this reg key. Don't have Windows 7 at the moment to test it properly, but it should be almost the same. Open Notepad and paste the code from below, edit as per your need, save as myscript1.reg, double-click to import in registry, test by right-click on any directory in Explorer.
I would recommend Default Programs Editor for this task. It is both more user-friendly and arguably safer than editing the registry directly. Choose Context menu. Select the extension you want to change. Choose Add. Give your command a title, browse to the batch file and optionally pick an icon to represent your command. Save the context menu to the registry and you're good to go.
At Vinayak. If using the CentO option, you would probably need to add the line cd/d%1 to the start of the batch command so that it runs under the target path. My current batch file looks like this. Thanks for the help. I happened to stumble upon this via Google at the right time. Smile.
Alternative solution which I use on Windows 10 is adding script to one of folders in path variable, and then when you are in Explorer use sequence. Ctrl+L, to start writing in search bar. Type, cmd, then press enter, to start cmd in current directory. Run your script, by typing its file name.
気持ちが折れちゃうの。いいかせだとか言って